Hello guys, so I got a Dell 3630 tower computer from eBay. Basically it didn't have no hard drive with it. Okay, so I downloaded the Dell OS Recovery tool and on the different Windows that I have and installed it on a USB drive. So basically I'm going to be getting this computer to work, basically installing the operating system, recovering the operating system and putting it back on there. Okay, and then I'm going to upgrade the power supply, and then I'm going to upgrade the video card, and then I'm going to upgrade the original operating system that I installed on it to Windows 11. Okay, please enjoy watching the video and please subscribe. Okay, let's get started. So we go to the Dell website. Okay, we're at the Dell website, and right here it says restore. We're going to search for Dell OS Recovery, and then restore your computer or download, how to download and use the Dell operating system recovery image. So I'm going to try this one. I already did this, but so I'm just gotta kind of go through it real quick for y'all. So Dell OS Recovery tool download. So it's got these links all over different parts of the. It's got instructions on it too. So we're going to download it. Okay, and it says download OS Recovery. So we'll click on that. But I've downloaded this a lot of times already, and we'll click on that. So we can do open. It should come up anytime. There it is. So this will pop up. Okay, and then we're going to do the Dell Update Package US Recovery Tool application. So this was kind of confusion for me at the start. It took me a while to figure this out. Now you got to do yes, okay? And it says Dell US Recovery Tool application. So I'm going to do an install. So this is where it got a little tricky. It didn't install. Okay, and it does say Dell Update Package. The update installer operation is successful. Okay, but where is it? It doesn't tell you where it went. It doesn't say what they're doing with it. Okay, so if you go in the Start menu, of course I'm using Windows 10. I'm not seeing it in here. Let me see. All apps. I'm not seeing it in here. Let's look under. I see a folder Dell. Let's see if it's there. Oh, it is under the folder Dell. I didn't know it was there. Okay, but see, when I first downloaded it, I didn't know where it went. I couldn't find it. Okay, I downloaded about 6 times. But it also makes the desktop icon right here. Dell OS Recovery. So what you would do is you click on this, okay, and you'll run it, okay, and then you're going to put the service tag of the computer that you want to restore. So you put the service tag in there, okay, and you'll just follow the simple instructions. I'm not going to bore you all, and there's other instructions on doing this on the web. Okay, put the service tag in and follow the instructions and do next. Okay, and then when you have that USB made, okay, you'll put it in the. See, this is you'll put it in the computer. This is the computer I'm doing it with right here, this bottom one. You'll put it in this computer and you'll boot it. Okay, and let me show you how to. Okay, so this is the computer. I already put the hard drive in it and stuff. This is the Dell that I just bought. So I'm going to just go right here. Okay. We'll turn it on. And we'll come over here and do F12 on the computer, on the keyboard. Just keep tapping F12. Okay, and you'll see this. Prepare. Okay, and then it'll say this. Okay, and then if all goes well, you'll see it right here. This is the name of my USB. Okay, you see that? Now, it didn't work for me the first time. I had to go into the BIOS itself and enable something. You know, enable, I think this. I forget exactly what it was, but it wasn't coming up the first time. I couldn't find it. And actually, if you look on the online, it tells you it comes up as the OS Dell Recovery tool, but it's not coming up as that. It's coming up. It's just the name of my. It's just the name of my USB drive. Okay, so what we will do is just use the down arrow. Okay, and then push enter. Okay, you might have to wait a minute or two. This doesn't load up super fast. Okay, so when it gets to this area, eventually when it loads up, you'll see this. Okay, and then let's do, okay, I know what's going on with that. Okay, so now, well, it's bright. Bright, bright, bright. This is what it comes up with. You can repair your computer with this, I guess, too. So I've never really used this except for this one time. Okay, so resets. This is what I use. Reset. So you click on start reset. It says, see what it will do. This is the original operating system. It showed this USB drive, so I went ahead and booted to it, and right now I have it's got to be connected to the network. So I got my network cable in it, and there it is running in my bedroom there to my modem. And I'm trying to install the operating system. Okay, so it looks like it is going to actually work. So I'm getting this right here. Windows is now setting up the following items. Now what's this? Transferring your system data and settings. Now we get to this part. Okay, I did notice there's in the settings there's an activation thing. In activation it says right there. I don't know if you can see it. Windows 10 Pro. Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. Product update, product key. So I was right. There is some type of product ID in the BIOS of this computer. Hi guys, so I'm just going to have to follow through on the process of updating my computer, restarting my computer, and updating my computer and restarting my computer. Okay, this is something new. I never seen it flash the BIOS, BIOS. It says updating system BIOS with BIOS guard. So this may have been when I said, when Dell gave me the option to update, when this decided to do this, or I just may be part of the Windows update. I'm not sure, but I've never seen an update through this before, which is actually a good thing. Now I don't have to manually do it, and that's going to make it better for a lot of stuff. Okay, I just want to show you that. And then I'm still upgrading. Still haven't got to Windows 11 yet, so I'm just going to pause the camera right here, but see, I thought I'd show you all this. Okay, see this right here saying, if you can see that with this camera. Because Windows 11 is downloading. We'll let you know when it's ready to install. Okay? So then again, so I'm going to have to take, I got to take this thing Heatsink fan cooling system for the CPU. Gonna have to remove that. I guess take these one, two. Let's see, there's one right here. I think I'm gonna need to take that one out. Yeah, spring-loaded screws here. Comes out. I have to remove that one. I couldn't get to it before. Okay. Oh! It came out anyway. This one came out. Oh well. It's alright. I don't have a, what you call it, one of them little cans that's got the air in it. I don't have that right this second. But you see how set that down for now. Take this. Okay, I'm gonna clean this one up here. Take some alcohol. Some on there. Well, remember, cleans it up. Okay. I think that's good. Doesn't look like too much. I don't want to get too much anywhere. Okay. Better too much and not enough. Oh, so now actually I gotta put this power source in first. So I gotta find the plug before I put the heatsink back on. I gotta find the plug that goes in there. These and that. Where the screws are to this power source? Yeah, I think you can see on the camera now. So I had to, hopefully this plug is no bigger than the original plug they had in there. And I had to put this one in before that one goes right. Hopefully that will go there and not short nothing out. Okay. The main board power supply is right here. I'm messing nothing up here. Be gentle. Push that down till you feel it click in there. You can't pull it out. It does have a little clip on it. I think I got mine. I think that's in there because I can't pull it out. I don't want to put too much winging around on it. Okay. So, got that done. Okay, the graphics card will go right there. Hopefully. Get these cables out of the way. Okay, I heard it click. I heard the clamp go down on it. So yeah, this one fit. So now I'm going to have to see, I'm going to put that in there. Oh, I just noticed there's a cover here. I'm going to take this cover off. I done took that other screw off. Get to that. Connection is much easier. I don't really know what that's for, but I'll put it back on. So this is a setting connector. And I should be able to do it even. I should be able to do it now, even holding the camera. I mean, even holding the camera. So basically, if I put this around this way. I can do it, but can you all see it? There's one. Anyway, it goes in. There we go, see it? I just slid it in there. So now, here, click. Now it's in there. PCI Express cable. PCI Express. It's only. See, I can expand this PCI Express to. When I get a bigger one, I'll have it. If it takes an 8 connector, I have it. Okay, for now, we're going to use this graphics card. So, this one right in. Like this, so like there, and then here it snap. It's in there. You don't want to move it around too much. Okay. So now, I'm setting the cable right here. See? So very simple. I'm going to put in. See how it goes. It goes in. It goes in that way. I got my hard drive powered up. Connected to the motherboard. Didn't have to disconnect that. Okay, so now I updated power supply. It's going to put these cables in here somewhat a little better. Then I want to put this back on. I don't know what it. Updating the driver, I guess. So maybe it added a driver already. So maybe I'm good to go as far as the driver goes for the video card. This product. So I just want to show you. Got my browser. I got everything. Where is Chrome at? It's Chrome right here. I have it already up, and it seems to be working good. You know, no problems. I even got. I can go to games and stuff. Close this out. Close this out. I can even play games. I'll go over here to Apex 11. No, Apex. Apex 11. So here I am. I'm Jump Master. So there we go. And it even has a speaker in it. That computer. I didn't even realize it, but he's even got a speaker into it. I didn't even think about that, but you can hear the sound and everything. You can see me playing the games. That's me right there. So it's working okay. And please subscribe and thank you for watching.